Okay, we're now on to frequency trees, and let's see what a frequency tree is. So a frequency tree is another way of organizing data, like the two-way tables we've already been studying. So this thing here is a frequency tree, and it's a way of representing data or organizing data. So for example, you can see here you've got a total amount of people, and it breaks down into males and females. But what's really important here is that the stems here, so this one and this one, so 45 and 35, they make the previous one, which is 80. 45 and 35 gives you a total of 80. So there's 80 people in total, where 45 are males and 35 are females. And then we can look at the males over here, and from the males, okay, you've got 17 that can drive, and you've got 28 that cannot drive. But importantly, again, 17 add 28 gives you 45. Okay, and if you go and look at the females, okay, who can drive and who cannot drive, well, 20 add the 15 gives you that 35. Okay, so it's kind of like a way of breaking down the data. So for example, it might say part A, how many people are there in total? The start of it is always the total, okay? And there's 80 people that you can see are there in total, so that would just be simply 80, okay? Question B is saying how many males are there? So we're saying how many males? Well, you can see from your diagram, males is here. There's 45 males in total. Okay, so part B is just simply going to be 45. And then part C is going to be saying how many females can drive. So you're looking at the females who can drive, you're looking at 20. Okay, 20 can drive, 15 cannot drive, so it's going to be 20 here. So the answer for this one is 20. That's right, I should say part C, but that's fine. Good, so let's go through my turn, your turn, and then we can look at getting probability from these in the next video. So complete the frequency diagram to begin with. Now we know that that's your total number of, in this case, the data is looking at boys and girls, and if there's 18 boys to get girls, you can do 40, take away 18, which is going to give you 22. So that one's going to be 22 going in there. This add 18 gives you 40. Now, if you look at the boys, you've got 18, you've got 10 that wear glasses. There must be 8 that do not wear glasses, because 10 add 8, it gives you 18, which is this number here. And then here you've got 22, and you can say, well, you've got 8 that do not wear glasses, so there must be 22. Take away 8, which is going to give you 14 that do wear glasses, because 14 add 8 gives you 22. So that is the first part done. Okay, so this is now saying how many girls wear glasses. So looking at girls that wear glasses, so girls wear glasses, this one and then this one is simply going to be 14. There we go. So 14 can go in there. And then the second part, how many people are there in, how many people in total wear glasses? A bit more difficult, this one. How many people in total wear glasses? So you're looking at boys who wear glasses, so this one, okay, and girls who wear glasses, which is this one. Okay, because wears glasses and wears glasses, you've got boys and you've got girls, but we're looking at the total, so 10 and 14, which is going to give you 24. So 10 add 14, which will give you 24 in total, and that is your answer for this one. Okay, so you have to try your turn, pause the video, fast forward to the end, and you can then check your answer at the end. Where part 1 is saying complete the frequency tree diagram again below, okay, and we know that this one and this one must add up to make the one here, so we can do 22 add 8, which is going to give you a total of 30, which is this one over here. Now you then got males, which is 22, broken into right-handed and left-handed, so 10 add something will be 22, or 22 take away 10 is going to give you that 12 that you need in here. 12 and 10 gives you 22. Then you've got females, which you've got 8 of them, and you've got 1 that's left-handed. There must be 7 that are right-handed, because 7 add 1 gives you 8. And then the questions below, you've got how many males are right-handed. So you're looking at males that are right-handed. You're looking at 12 on that first one. So the first one is simply going to be 12. There we go. And then how many people are there in total that are right-handed? So how many people in total are right-handed? So you're looking at males or females that are right-handed. Okay, so it's going to be 12 add 7, which is 19. So 12 add 7, which gives you 19, and that is your answer for this one. And in fact, let's go and highlight all the answers, because that's what we usually do. And there we go. And then in the next video, we're going to be looking at getting probability from these frequency tables. Okay, so just again, building on from what we already know on probability and applying it to frequency tree diagrams. Okay, thank you for watching.